Hello and welcome to our training video. In this video, you will learn how to program keypad IDs. In order to program keypad IDs, you must first have our toolkit app downloaded. Please contact us at support@meridia.vote to receive a link to the toolkit app. Keep in mind, you'll need admin rights to run the app because it doesn't permanently install on the computer, and you may need to whitelist the app in your security software. Once you have opened the toolkit, connect to the receiver in USB or Ethernet mode. You will know that the base is connected if it is showing two blue lights on the front of the black display on the receiver itself. If you have the USB stick base, one flashing blue light will appear. Here, you can see an image of both types of connected bases. Then, navigate to the Keypad tab. In the Set Keypad ID menu, you may type in the field the number you wish to set as the new keypad ID under New ID. When you are ready to begin, take out your keypads and press any button to wake them up and connect to the receiver. Select the Start Setting button, and then, one keypad after another, press the Send button on the keypad to assign the desired new keypad ID. The Send button may or may not be visible because of a custom membrane design, but is always located above the green 1A or Yes button. If the keypads don't seem to respond to the receiver may be in match mode, and they either need to be matched first, or the user needs to change the base to auto mode. You will know a new keypad ID has been set when the keypad display shows an OK and the number in the new ID field is increased by 1. Also, the new keypad ID number should be displayed in the Set Keypad ID field. Keep an eye on both the keypad display and the computer screen, because sometimes the keypad ID assignment can skip a number or fail to assign it on the first button press. Be sure to select the Stop Setting option when finished. If you are unclear which ID number is set to a specific keypad, you can use the Start Getting feature in the Keypad tab. After selecting this option, press the Send button, paper plane, and the Toolkit app will display the keypad ID and other information under the Keypad Parameter section. This feature can be helpful if you are troubleshooting connectivity or keypad numbering issues. When you are finished setting keypad IDs, we recommend that you run a test. Navigate to the Keypad Test tab. This opens a new, resizable window that you can maximize or resize to fit your screen. From here, you can set the ID scope and column X row count to set up the grid to fit your specific number of keypads. When finished, click the Start button, and as long as the keypads are awake, their keypad IDs should light up green in the grid. Additionally, all keypads should show a T for test on their display. If there are some keypads that do not show green on the grid or show T-try on their display, wake them up by pressing any button on the keypad. Thank you for watching this training on how to program keypad IDs. If you have any questions, please contact our support team or visit our knowledge base. Links will be provided on screen and in the video description.